Now we're going to remove the vacuum motor, take the vacuum exhaust off, and when you reinstall it, I always clean it, and I like to put a little glue in here or some adhesive so that if water blows out the exhaust, it doesn't actually get into the motor cavity. So then turn the machine upside down and remove these 4 screws and these metal straps. When you take your machine apart, it may not have these nylon spacers. This was an add-on later on. The factory started doing it on this back machine that had these 2 nylon spacers. I suggest if you don't have those, that you go down to the hardware store and purchase some. Metal ones would not really be very good. On the front end, they do not need the spacers. But what happens is the machine is dropped quite frequently as you take it over a curb or down the steps, and these areas will get some structural fatigue cracks, and so we suggest you put those spacers in. Okay, now you took the strap off, you can take a screwdriver, begin to remove the vacuum, and then there's a hose with a hose clamp here. This little 5/16 wrench will remove that, and then you just pull it off. This one happens to be a little stubborn. This takes the exhaust hose, and here's your vacuum. Disconnect the wires. And this one I'm going to have to cut. And here's your vacuum. This O-ring, we usually clean it and then reinstall it. And then to actually remove the vacuum from the housing, it's quite simple. These are 9/16 bolts. There's just 3 of them. You back them off. The motor will come right off, and there's a little gasket there. Usually you can use the same gasket. Occasionally you may rip it and have to get a new one. And then, of course, reinstalling it is the same way. You have to be sure to hook your hose on and then set it in place. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, you can always contact us through our website, www.carpetexpress.biz. Thanks for watching.